How to build domain authority DA. Easy tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can build DA or domain authority. It is also called website authority or domain ranking. It has a couple of names, but it means the same thing. Now, what is DA and how do you build it? We are going to talk all about that. So first off, if you want to check the domain authority of any website or your own website, you can simply go on to the Ahrefs free SEO tools. Over here, you're just going to click on Website Authority Checker. Once you click on Website Authority Checker, you're just going to enter the website or URL. So let's say over here that I want to check the website authority of one of the latest websites that I created. And I'm just going to click on copy over here, to click on paste, and then you can click on start. You're going to click on check authority. You're going to verify that you are not a robot. And you can see over here, I have a domain rating 94 with 0 backlinks and 0 linking websites. Now, the domain rating is dependent on, a lot of different niche factors. And your DA is basically the domain authority or how many websites are ranking to you for specific keywords. Now, this ranked high simply because of the on-page SEO optimization and some of the basic features. However, let's say I want to take a look at the domain authority of OpenSea. So I will just copy this page, paste it. I will click on Website Authority Checker, and I will click on Paste. I will click on Start, click on Check Authority. And now you can see over here, they also have a domain rating of 92. They have over 140 million backlinks and over 161K websites. Now, what is important? Having a lot of backlinks or having a lot of linking websites or neither? Well, I'm going to tell you guys how exactly domain rating is going to be affected with backlinks. So a lot of people might think that having more backlinks means the better domain authority. That is not true. Depending on the website that you will get a backlink from, that will actually increase or, impact your domain authority. If you get a domain authority from IMDb, that can increase your domain rating by 10 to 15 points. However, if you were to get a backlink from a smaller website, a less recognized website, let's say you get a backlink from this website over here, then it would only maybe even increase your points less than 1. So it depends on the kind of website that is linking back to you, and that will increase or decrease your web authority. It doesn't decrease, but and that will impact how much your domain authority is increased. So whenever you are doing link building, instead of focusing on the number of links you can garner, you should focus on the websites that are giving you those backlinks. So you want to make sure that the website that you're getting those backlinks from are already high domain authority website. The higher domain authority or DA of that website is, the more it will increase your own DA. So in this way, let's say that I want to search for IMDb. So I'm just going to copy their URL over here, go into my authority checker, and I will paste it over here. Click on check authority. And once I have done that, we're just waiting for our checker. And now you can see over here that they have over 1.6 billion backlinks. So you can see they have a lot of backlinks and their domain rating is only 93. And previously you saw that the other website, OpenSea, had only 92 in domain rating. So domain rating is also a gradual thing. So past 50, it gets more difficult. It's like kind of when you level up in a game, the game gets more and more difficult. In the same way, increasing your domain rating after every point becomes slightly more difficult. So in the top domain ratings, it's pretty much, a neck-to-neck competition. And anything past 90, you can consider it to be the same thing. Now, let's take another example. Let's say I want to copy this e-commerce store, and I will take a look at the domain authority of this specific e-commerce store. I will paste it over here. Not copied properly. and I will verify that I'm not a robot. And now you can see the domain rating for this is only 79. Now, let's say I want to do a comparison between two stores. Let's say I want to do it with Rare Beauty and another makeup website. Now we're just going to verify that we are not a robot. And now you can see over here, they have 23K backlinks, which might be a lot for some people. However, they only have a domain rating of 67. And there is definitely going to be some website out there that has only like 20K or 5K backlinks. So there is definitely going to be a website out there with lower number of websites and a higher domain rating. And that is because the backlinks that they have are from high domain authority websites. So it's basically a loop. If you want to increase your own domain rating by a lot, then you need high-ranking domain authoritative backlinks. So let's say we want to do a comparison between another website, and I will just enter that website over here. And let's say it is Fenty. Now you can see over here, they have a lot more backlinks. They have twice as many backlinks, but the domain rating is only around more like 10 points ahead of the Rare Beauty backlinks or the Rare Beauty domain authority. The reason for that is because their backlinks might not be as strong as the ones that have backlinks to Rare Beauty. And in this way, you can increase your own domain rating simply by getting backlinks from high authoritative websites. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.